Hi guys and welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are now on your Instagram, try to open a second account. In this case, I'm using two accounts to serve as an example. In here, I'm going to click on my profile on the bottom right. Over at Instagram, I am going to create a new story. I will use this as an example. In here, I'm just going to post it as is. You could also add close friends depending on your preference. But this time, you could just post it as is. Once done, post your new story. Once done, go to your profile by clicking on it at the bottom right. Then in here, click on the sign that says plus new over at highlights. Over at new highlight, this time you are going to choose your new story to be added over at your highlight. This time, name your highlight and then click on done on the upper right. And then in here, click on your new highlight over at your profile. Now, click on Insights, and then in here, you will see the people that has viewed your highlights, and that means they viewed your profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.